Hey guys, welcome to Night Devil Creations, and today we're going to make a pin for a late graduation gift. Alright, let's make it. I'll see you in a second. Alright guys, so like I said, this is a late graduation gift for Autumn. There we go, bolt action, tack pin. We're using this really pretty Caribbean Cove. Hey, you like it? I got my little workstation for doing my pins back here. So, very nice. We're going to drill it. We got our acrylic drill bit in, or at least somewhat 8mm barrel trimming. Throw this back in there. But yeah, if you guys have liked what I've been doing, please like and subscribe. Give the video a thumbs up. That helps me out immensely. I need to grab my Sharpie. We're going to give it a little bit extra meat on the end here. We're going to do this in reverse order. Actually, no, I'm going to go ahead and cut this on the bandsaw, drill it out like normal. We'll turn it. I'll talk to you after all that's done. So, yeah, guys, I hope you guys had a great Christmas or holidays and a happy new year, beginning of 2020. So let's make it a great year. Yeah. Alright, I will talk to you guys at the end of the video. Alright guys, ta-da! It turned out beautiful. So, let's kit her up. And, yeah. Oh, by the way, if you guys made it this far, hey Leon, I will make your suggestion. So, Leon, if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, I post, once every day or every other day. So I put a picture of a whole bunch of blanks and pin kits. Leon was the first one. He said he wanted to see this one being made. So we will be making it very shortly. Look out for that video. I think you're really going to want to watch that one. The kit I have for it, absolutely phenomenal. Anyway, so I'm going to go ahead and fast forward through all this. I'll talk to you right after I get it put all together. Alright. Alright guys, so I think it turned out absolutely gorgeous. Again guys, I hope you guys had a great holidays and a good new year, and everybody had a safe new year. So again, I'm very, very grateful of everybody from 2019. You guys made the channel grow so much. I'd like to keep that going. I really enjoy making videos for you guys. I really do. Um, I really have fun doing this. So I would like to keep it going. And I want as many people to see what I do. And I want to make things for people. Oops. Nice. Nip just comes out the way it's supposed to. See that? So, oops. My fingers to work. Alrighty. Finished product. Autumn. Sorry it's late, but I think you can forgive me. It's a absolutely gorgeous pen. I hope you enjoy it all the way through college. And, yeah. Alright guys, again, give the video a thumbs up if you liked what you saw. Subscribe if you haven't. And I will catch you guys next time when we turn Leon's suggestion in the next video. Alright guys, I'll catch you next time. See ya.